Hello, welcome to another episode of Learn Technology in 5 Minutes from Makerdemy.
This is Naveen and part of the instructor team at Makerdemy.
In the previous episodes, we learned about the foundational level AWS certification called Gcp and the foundational level Azure certification called the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. In this episode, we will look at the entry-level certification offered by the third most popular cloud platform, the Google Cloud. First, some context. There is a huge gap between AWS and Azure on one hand and the Google Cloud on the other. GCP has less than 10% market share as against the combined market share of around 40% between AWS and Azure. You are right in asking why should we even be bothered about Google Cloud and the certifications it offers? Here is why. Google is after all Google. Google is taking its cloud platform very seriously, and there aren't too many engineers with GCP certifications as against tons of AWS certificate holders. So the demand for GCP certificate holders is expected to grow steadily, while they will also have less competition, at least for now. GCP certifications are different from AWS and Azure certifications. Here are all the GCP certifications. Did you notice something different? There is no foundational level certification in GCP. There is no equivalent GCP certificate to that of AWS CCP and Azure AZ 900. You have just one associate level certification and the rest are all professional certifications. For this video, we will focus on the entry level certification under the GCP umbrella, the Associate Cloud Engineer certification. As mentioned earlier, this is not the same as the entry level certification of AWS and Azure. The Associate Cloud Engineer certification is way more difficult to obtain than the AWS CCP and Azure AZ 900. While GCP certification website mentions no prerequisites for this exam, actually we think it helps to have adequate technical background. By completing this certification, you demonstrate that you have the following competencies: setting up the GCP cloud solution environment, planning and configuring a cloud solution using GCP, deploying and implementing a GCP cloud solution, ensuring successful operation of a GCP cloud solution, and finally configuring access and security for GCP cloud solutions. As you can see, this is all serious engineering stuff. How much does this cost and what is the nature of the exam? The GCP Associate Cloud Engineer exam costs $125 and is a 2-hour online exam with 50 questions in the multiple choice and multiple answer format. If you are thinking what is the difference between multiple choice and multiple answer questions, here is the answer. A multiple choice question has only one correct answer among the given 4 alternatives, and the multiple answer questions will have 2 or more correct answers among 5 or more alternatives. Needless to say, the multiple answer questions are trickier. Makerdemy strongly recommends that you get this certification if you want to participate in the upside offered by cloud technologies. While it doesn't cost much, it takes quite some effort to get this certification. But remember, what is not easy to obtain is valuable. That is all from me in this video. We will take an in-depth view of other cloud certifications in our future videos. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so that you don't miss out on our future videos.